friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will do video about kiwi. First we peel the kiwi and cut into the pieces. Now we have to separate the seeds. Like how we are doing. After that, put the seed into the pot. We have total 3 pots. After you finish, water them properly and keep it in one place. See like how we are doing? And keep it for 1 week. See our pot after 1 week. It's full of water. The plastic is full of water. Planted last time kiwi. Now we will take a plastic. Friends, you can see the green tiny plant. See? We are here going to show the kiwi plant. Come and see. This kiwi plant is 1 month old. Pretty. Last time we showed you how we did. See this plant after 1 month. See friends how it grows. Water every day so it grows so bigly. They are little small. When they grow bigger, they will grow. They are little small. Hi friends, I will tell you 6 things about kiwi fruit. Number 1, it lowers blood pressure. Number 2, it has vitamin C and E. It's good for heart disease. It's very good for eyes. It is good for diabetes. It has high fiber. I hope you like the video. Okay guys, this is all for today.